back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we're going to do a DIY, do-it-yourself, skip it. So I have a few items that you're going to need, so don't go anywhere. So for our DIY skip it, all you're going to need is a ring. I actually use this from a coffee lid. If you guys have another paper plate, or if you guys want to use something that's a little bit more sturdy, look for any cap that you can just cut the center out and then use the sides. That's going to be what's going to be used for your ankle. As you guys can see, the rest of it's just bags from grocery stores. Tied it up here, put some tape around it just to keep it tight and connected. And last but not least, tape ball. I used about 4 sheets of paper, rolled it up together, and then I had tape rolled around that as well. And what you're going to do is you're going to go and put that around your ankle, and then we have our own custom skip it. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys how it works. So as you see, it's wrapped around my ankle. All you got to do is move your foot and then create your little movement patterns. You guys can go forward and around. Your other foot's going to hop over just as if you were skipping back and forth. Okay? Or you can go behind and around. Same thing. The goal is just to get the ball spinning, the string spinning, and it gets your heart pumping and the blood flow to your body. Okay? So I'm going to attempt to do it. Make sure you guys stay tuned.
1, 2, 3, come on!
One foot spinning, the other one's jumping. We go back and forth.
If you enjoyed creating your own custom skip it, drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys did to create yours or what you're going to do differently. So drop a comment below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.